Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta sauce. Let's dive into Gordon Ramsay's definitive method for a truly exceptional sauce. First, gather your core ingredients. High-quality San Marzano tomatoes are non-negotiable for that deep, authentic taste. Fresh garlic and basil are crucial for building a vibrant aromatic foundation. And remember, a generous drizzle of excellent olive oil will provide a luxurious richness to your sauce. Now, let's build those incredible flavor layers. Begin by gently sautéing thinly sliced onions and garlic in olive oil over medium-low heat until they become soft and translucent, which takes about 10 to 12 minutes. Be careful not to burn them. Next, add your San Marzano tomatoes, along with a tablespoon or two of tomato paste, and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Let this cook slowly for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To perfect your pasta sauce, a few finishing touches make all the difference. Just before you're ready to serve, stir in a handful of fresh basil leaves. Their vibrant aroma will awaken the sauce. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, adjusting until it's just right. For an extra touch of luxury and a silky smooth texture, consider whisking in a small knob of cold butter at the very end. This emulsifies beautifully, creating a truly restaurant-quality finish. Finally, it's time to enjoy your incredible homemade pasta sauce. The best way to serve it is to toss the hot sauce directly with your freshly cooked pasta, ensuring every strand is coated. Garnish with a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese for an extra layer of savory flavor. This sauce also makes a fantastic base for other dishes, like lasagna or chicken parmesan. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.